How to unhide a post on Reddit. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily unhide a post on your Reddit app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Reddit app. And here then once you are in your Reddit app, first I'm gonna hide a post and then show you how you can unhide it. Now to unhide the post, you just have to tap on your profile picture here in the top right corner. Then here scroll down a little bit and you will see history. Open it, and then here in history in the top left side you will see recent. Open it, and then here you will see hidden. Tap on it, and here you will see all of your hidden posts. Now to unhide a post, you just have to tap on these three dots in the top right side of that post here. Then tap on unhide post. And now if I go back here, I will see that post that I just unhide. So this is how you can unhide a post on Reddit. Thanks for watching.